Hello everyone! In this video we will continue to examine topic 7.3, the structure of matter, and in particular we will examine further Feynman diagrams. So in the previous video I went through sort of the basic vertex interactions that govern electromagnetic / QED interactions, in which various combinations of an electron, positron, and a photon interact. And I described sort of pure pair production and annihilation, where pair production is the production of an electron and a positron from a photon, and in a case of annihilation, or vertex annihilation, an electron and positron combine to produce a photon. In practice, pure vertex, pair production, and annihilation are impossible due to the conservation of energy and momentum. I don't want to dwell too much on this, but to consider why, think about the frame of reference in which the total momentum of the electron and the positron are zero. So imagine the electron and the positron are sort of pop into existence and move away from each other with from the photon in exactly opposite directions with exactly the same velocity. Well, in that case, the total momentum of this system is zero, and as a result, the energy of the photon would have had to have been zero, which is impossible. So in order to conserve energy and momentum, you would need that photon, you would need a second photon. Of note is that in higher level, we discuss sort of why the photon can carry momentum. However, in practice, you can get actual pair production and annihilation. It just takes an extra step. So take a look at this particular diagram. In it, you have a photon coming in. It undergoes a single vertex interaction where it produces an outgoing positron and an outgoing electron. That electron then absorbs another incoming photon and scatters off it. So you can see how this particular interaction has two pure vertex interactions. This particular electron is correctly described as a virtual particle, cannot be detected, and what you have achieved is the production of matter, that is an electron and antimatter, a positron, from two photons alone. Notice that if you just take the whole operation and shift it around 180 degrees, you get annihilation. And I'll leave the exercise of going through the individual vertex interaction shown here to the watcher.